Hospital. KTVU's Tom Bakar joins us now with that woman's story and the implications for other people who were being treated in the ER around the same time. Tom.
Indeed. Ask yourself this question. Would you be angry if your hospital exposed you to COVID, likely knew it, and then didn't contact you?
Yeah, I'm furious that I had to learn of my exposure by watching the news.
Late Christmas Eve night, Jori Buriani fell and dislocated her shoulder. Early Christmas Day, she says she went to Kaiser Permanente's Medical Center Emergency Department in San Jose. She says despite seeing no other patients present, she was there for 3.5 hours.
I feel like I was in there way longer than I should have been.
That was the same day a staff employee wearing a fan-powered inflatable Christmas tree costume came into the emergency department purportedly to cheer co-workers up, but apparently causing a super spreader event.
And then at one point, I heard over the loudspeaker, someone announced, any and all staff personnel, please make your way to the staff lounge. So at first I thought, oh, that's nice. They must be doing something nice for all these poor employees that have to work on a holiday. They probably brought food in or whatever. And I'm thinking that's really nice.
She finally left and in the following days was with her husband, her 2 daughters, and her orthopedist for a follow-up check. 9 days later, a problem arose.
Like a little head cold. And I remember saying to my husband, how could I have gotten sick? I literally have not left the house since my trip to the ER.
Upon getting tested, she found out she was COVID positive, despite Kaiser telling KTVU that it had contacted everybody who came in on Christmas Day.
Absolutely. There was no contact whatsoever. I have since gone and looked at any messages, I never had any missed calls, nothing.
Her husband has also tested positive. The Burianis are not alone. In fact, Santa Clara County health officials say they also learned of the Christmas Day spread event on the news and fined the hospital $43,000 for failure to report. Kaiser has also said it communicated to the county and will appeal the fine. So we don't know if all 70 Christmas Day patients were contacted.
Don't say that you did something that you didn't do to cover your ass.
Just as important, we don't know if the patients who were in the ER during the following days were contacted as COVID kept popping up amongst the staff on those days. Kaiser sent a statement saying the number of patients contacted has been who have contracted the disease has gone from 70 to 74, but only patients who fell within the exposure time frame are being contracted. Now, the number of employees testing positive has also risen from 60 to 73. 70 of 74 patients contacted. Some of them may or may not show positive. Tom Bakar, KTVU, Fox 2 News.